You're watching Tap Tech, the place where we strip away the marketing talk and give you the real story on the latest tech. Today we're looking at the Google Pixel Watch 3, Google's latest flagship wearable, and it's clear they've learned a lot from the first two generations. This isn't just a slight refresh, it's a refined smartwatch that's faster, smarter, and more comfortable than ever. The moment you put it on, you notice the improved design. Google kept the signature round dome shape, but the bezels are slimmer now, letting the display stretch closer to the edges. The old screen is brighter and more vibrant, making it easy to read even in bright sunlight. The build feels premium with stainless steel and Gorilla Glass protection.
Ow.
And it's still compact enough to fit comfortably on smaller wrists while looking stylish on larger ones. The weight balance is better too, light enough to forget you're wearing it, but solid enough to feel like a high-end device. Performance is where the Pixel Watch 3 really feels upgraded. Google's using a newer, more efficient processor paired with more RAM, and the result is a buttery smooth Wear OS experience. Apps open instantly, scrolling is fluid, and Google Assistant responds faster. Fitbit integration is deeper now. You get advanced heart rate tracking, improved sleep analysis, and readiness scores that actually make sense for daily planning. GPS is quicker to lock, and accuracy is excellent whether you're running through the city or hiking in remote areas. Battery life has been extended. You can get up to 36 hours on a single charge with always-on display enabled, and charging is faster than before. 15 minutes on the charger gets you enough power for the day, which is a game changer for those who hate overnight charging. On the health side, the Pixel Watch 3 adds a new skin temperature sensor, improved SpO2 readings, and more detailed workout metrics. The heart rate sensor is one of the most accurate in the smartwatch market, staying consistent even during high-intensity workouts. If you're into fitness, the auto detection for activities is sharper. It catches runs, walks, and bike rides. Almost instantly, as a smartwatch, it's deeply tied into Google's ecosystem. You get seamless Google Maps navigation on your wrist, Gmail and calendar notifications you can interact with, smart home controls through Google Home. The new UWB chip also allows for quick tap-to unlock with compatible devices. LTE. Models let you stay connected without your phone. The Pixel Watch 3 isn't just for Pixel phone users. While it works best in Google's ecosystem, it still plays well with most Android phones. And with Wear OS 4 app support has grown, Spotify offline playback, Google Wallet, and even productivity apps make it a wrist-based multi-tool. It's not perfect. The battery still won't touch multi-day watches like the Garmin Enduro series, and iPhone users are left out. But if you're on Android and want a smartwatch that nails design, performance, health tracking, and smart features in a single package, the Pixel Watch 3 is one of the most well-rounded options you can buy. Google has taken the lessons from the last two models and delivered a watch that feels complete. No major compromises. It's just a clean, fast, beautiful smartwatch that fits into daily life effortlessly, whether you're at the gym, in the office, or out on the town. It feels like a natural extension of your phone and your lifestyle. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we test the latest gadgets so you know what's worth your time and money before you buy.